Now, it seems to me that there's kind of a list of things you want to be able to do as a kid. And we did one of them. We learned how to cross our eyes. Some other ones that might be on the list would be like jumping rope, learning to whistle, learning to tie your shoe. And another thing that I think that kids want to learn eventually is to blow a bubble. And you may not be old enough to blow a bubble yet. You may not be old enough to chew gum, but I'm going to show you how to blow a bubble once you start. These are ice cubes, my favorite. They come in like every flavor. And this is the peppermint. Now, I'll tell you about my daughter. When she was a baby, she had to take an iron supplement. It's like a vitamin. And so I would give it to her in the tub, and it'd be so disgusting. And so she was just one, but I used to let her have a piece of gum after the iron supplement vitamin because it tasted so bad. And she happened to be really good about never swallowing her gum. So I would let her chew her gum a little bit in the bathtub, and she's never been a gum swallower. And she can do an ice bubble. So check out these ice cubes. So you get some gum, and you need to chew it. Okay. Now, little kids have little mouths, and you don't need a lot of gum, usually. If you're going to blow a big bubble, you'll need a little more gum. So the first thing you need to do is get your gum kind of in a little ball. So get it chewed up a bit, and then we're going to make it into a little ball. Okay? Okay, if you've got your gum chewed up, like I said, get it into like a little ball. What you're going to do is you're going to put your tongue through that ball of gum. Now, not all the way through. You just want to make a little hole in it. So you just want to push your tongue in, and take your tongue out, and then blow in that hole, and it'll fill up like a balloon, okay? So, I'm going to try to show you as we go along. Here's a little ball of gum. Now let's stick our tongue through. Pull your tongue out. Blow air through. You did it! I did it. Did you do it?